What's going on YouTube? Dre again with Hartman Adventure. Back out on another fishing adventure today. Myself and my dad. It's my dad back there. My dad came to visit us for the weekend. It's our wedding anniversary this weekend, so my dad came to visit with us and took him out fishing. Dad has never really done fishing like this with rod and reel and sea fishing. My dad, while growing up, we normally do fishing like on the river, and we would normally go there with handline, but this is the first time my dad has ever gone sea fishing. So let's see if he's gonna get any hookups today. I haven't gone fishing with my dad in years, probably since high school, so it's gonna be a real adventure for me and him out here. Everybody is at home, so let's see if I can turn the camera around so you guys can see my dad. What's up, sir?
Yes, sir. Happy to be here.
Good, good.
Yeah, to be with you. Doing my first fishing on the sea.
All right.
Okay, and
we'll get
a lovely one.
All right, we're gonna get your hook up today. We'll get your hook up today, man. Don't worry yourself.
Having a good time.
All right, guys. So that's my dad right there. We out here on the water. Hopefully we'll get some hookup today, and you guys will get to see some of that adventure. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the video, guys. I want to send a big shout out to my subscribers over there in the Philippines. Big up yourself over there in the Philippines. I have a lot of subscribers over there in the Philippines, so know you guys are looking forward to this video. Guys, what I want for you to do is drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching these videos from. It would be really awesome to know where you guys are watching from. So just stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and as soon as we get any action or get any hookups, I'll tune in back with you guys. So just stay tuned. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Reel him, see me. You still feel him?
Yeah.
Alright, took my dad fishing for the first time, and he's on something. Pull him same way, man. Just pull it same way. Let me see what you catch today. Alright, try direct him around that side. Yeah, same way. Pull him same way. He must swim go to the pier. Pull him, man, pull him. No, man, you're making him go around the pier. Hold on, hold on. Let me help you, let me help you. Ah, snapper. See him there? Nice snapper.
Yeah, well. We can't carry more.
Put him over upon the flat and he drop off. Alright. Is this more than your dinner?
Yeah, man.
Hold him. Alright, stop reel up. Stop reel up. Just hold on your rod now. Alright, hold the rod right this one. And hold the fish now.
Yeah, flash off the bait.
Hold the fish, hold him. Wait, hold him on the angle right so. Hold him like this, hold him like this. Yeah, you don't have to squeeze him in. Hold him so we can take him picture good. What a mutton. Nice mutton, man.
Yes, man.
Alright, let him go there. You see him. Yeah, almost 2 pounds, you know?
Yeah.
Almost 2 pounds.
Lovely. Yeah, lovely, man.
Nice mutton, man.
Yeah.
Very nice mutton. First one, eh?
First one.
First one.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir. How you feeling?
Feeling?
Yeah.
Feel good, man.
Feel good.
Feel good. Want the bucket?
Just want to get the bucket, man.
Yeah.
Feel good. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Can't say you never catch a sea fish yet, eh?
I tell you. You're in vain.
Hold him like this. Put your finger underneath here, so.
Hold it.
Come on, just put your finger under there. You not bite. Hold him up. Hold him up, see him. You not bite you. Hey! So my dad got his first catch. First time he ever do sea fishing. He got his first catch.
Oh yes.
Congrats, sir.
Thank you. Big thank you.
Yes, sir.
To be here today.
Alright.
There's a pump and you pull them in from the line. You feel heavy.
Feel heavy?
Yeah.
See, look on the top and roll again. You see him?
Yeah.
You see him a while ago? You let's roll on the top of the water.
Yeah.
That's how you feel sometimes, man. You feel heavy. Yeah. So imagine when they hook up on one way actually heavy. So you feel some of the time, man. When you catch him a while ago, you probably believe I want monster fish you catch, not true? That's what it is. You know, you used to it yet. But you broke your duck, so.
Yeah.
Watch it up on a roll, man.
Oh, we see him.
Watch him.
We see him tail.
You see him a while ago?
Yeah, we see him tail. Oh, I'm big thing, man.
I ain't not bite, huh?
Eh?
I ain't not bite.
Yeah, bite no.
I fall like brown water where river dump out. Alright guys, I'm just trying to throw in a spoon lure right now. See some tarpon rolling on the top. Normally if I have a gold spoon. Oh, what that a while ago. Something just nudged me. Just got a nudge on the lure. Fish on, guys, fish on. I was throwing a spoon and the light set up. It feel like a jack, man.
Eh?
It feel like a jack.
Is that jack or a jackal?
Nice fish.
You see him?
Feel him.
Come.
Fish on, guys. Fish on.
Come.
See him there?
Oh yeah.
No, says a jack, you know. Bluerunner.
Okay. The big.
Mine hook.
No, hold the bottom side of the hook.
Hold on. See me here, guys. Bluerunner. And a spoon.
Sun start come out the water, get warm now, you know.
Oh, you see that? That's something here. The bait, the type of bait.
Oh.
The way how it reflects in the water. It
Oh.
look like the bait fish them.
Shine.
So boss man, how you manage to get this in?
What here came out. You couldn't escape, you know. Then when you do the thing there. Like that in your hand. You make a big grab, you know.
Jack the greedy, man. See me here, guys. Bluerunner Jack.
Nice Leo.
Nice Bluerunner. When I didn't like I get worried. Serious, broski.
Eh?
I drive right over my line. Snorkel, I can't come snorkel here, so. Oh, they're mad somebody, man.
Jij kan doen?
Come snorkel.
Soon.
Yeah.
We're drying.
Fish on. Just get a nudge, you know?
Yeah, just what?
He just bite it. He strike it, but him strike after it, but he no strike, he no hook him. Mine a shake that thing.
Eh?
Mine a shake it.
No.
Come again, I come back for you. Come again. Give me another strike. Think the black rod they are gonna run soon. Think the black one they are gonna run soon.
Don't panic.
He might run soon. Hear him?
Yeah, watch it.
Hear him a nudge nudge. Right guys, this little man is trying out some water skis. Where to go, little man? You got it. There he goes, guys. He's skiing. Having some adventure time. Yeah, man. Soon run. Soon run. You soon run. You soon get another hookup. Only hope say no hook up now when me get hook up. Yeah man, he soon run man. The king go and nudge nudge. You hear him? You know take up here. I silver rod, you know?
Yeah?
I silver rod. Another one on a lure. Another Bluerunner. There he is, guys. Another Bluerunner on the Yu-Zuri Lure. Huh? No, no. It's okay. No. Alright, I don't want him shake these hooks in my hand. There he is, guys. So that's on the Yu-Zuri, another Bluerunner. Bluerunner. So that's the lure that did the damage. That's the first catch on this lure as well. It's a Yu-Zuri crystal minnow. First catch on this lure. Got this lure at the same time that I got the Berkeley's lure, and that's the same Berkeley's lure that I used to catch. The mackerel. If you haven't seen that video as yet, you can click the link just above. I'll put a link up there where you can see where I caught that mackerel. So that's the first fish for this lure. Let's see if we're going to get any more this evening. And that's my second Bluerunner for today. Got one on this lure, and I got one on a spoon earlier in the day. So second Bluerunner. Let's see if we're going to get any more today. This light setup rod is awesome, awesome, awesome. Love this setup. Really light, really sensitive. Just got a strike. Come again. Just got a strike. Did you guys see that? Something just got a strike on it. Did you see that, guys? Wow. He struck it 2 times. 2 times. Let's see if he's still out there. Let's see if it's still out there. Casting in this direction, I'm casting directly into the breeze. It's a little bit harder to get the lure as far out as I would like to. But I'm still trying. Gotten more hits over this side since I've been over here than I've gotten all morning over the other side. That's the other side over there where my dad is standing. That is monitoring the other 2 rods, and I'm over here throwing lures. We're getting some good action earlier in the day, but a boat came here and with some guys, they were doing like water skis, and since that time haven't gotten any action at all. So I came over this side and I was throwing the lure over this side because it's a little bit more shallow and it's closer to the shoreline. So came over here and I tried it and got that Bluerunner just now, and I got another blow up a while ago. So let's see if we're going to get anything else this evening. Water over here is a little bit more shallow than over on that side of the jetty. Oh, What's up again, guys? We are done fishing for today, so we are leaving out of this place right now. Didn't get a lot of fishes today, but trust me, we had an awesome time. Pretty sure Daddy had an awesome time. He enjoyed himself. We just sat and we chat and laugh and eat guinea, but that's how it is. Fortunately, you couldn't see all of that on camera because camera wasn't rolling for most of that. But that said, we had an awesome time today. Daddy, yeah? You enjoy yourself, sir?
Oh Lord, enjoy yourself to a max.
So Daddy said he enjoyed. Daddy said he enjoyed himself to a max and he's hoping to be back. Unfortunately, he's gonna leave pretty soon, so I doubt I'll be able to bring him back down here before he leaves, but pretty sure that there are gonna be more times when I could bring him back. Hopefully the next time when he's back, it's the entire family that will be out here,
Better day.
and hopefully we'll get a lot more catch. So I'm walking back to the car now, guys. Pretty much gonna sign out of the video. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching Hartman Adventures. See you out on the other adventure.